What is database? Let's see what is data. Data means a details about a person or a thing. Like example, first name, mobile number, password, birthday, gender. Or details of a laptop like a brand, RAM, touch. Simply, data means a raw fact which describes the attributes of an entity. Usually we store the data in a pen drive or a hard disk. Likewise, database is a place or a medium in which we store the data in a systematic or a organized manner, where we can perform some operation like create, insert, read, retrieve, update, modify, or delete, drop operations. These referred as a CRUD operations. DBMS is a software used to maintain and manage the database. It provides the security and authorization to communicate with this database. We require a query language. DBMS stores the data in the form of files likewise. RDBMS is a type of DBMS where we store the data in the form of tables and rows and columns. To communicate with this RDBMS software, we require structural query language.